Hi guys, Gettess here with the market sense for the week of October 24th, 2017. We're going to look at charts in this presentation that are provided to us by Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. And looking at the weekly bond market chart here, kind of an interesting situation we're in, or at a critical juncture, I would think. We were looking for initial resistance possibly as low as 152.24 here, this green line, and we haven't quite been there. And we haven't missed it by much, but we haven't been there. We have support down here, well, let's call it between 151.20 and 151.07. We've got the lower moving average, we've got the projected low, we've got the previous swing low here. They're all in that same 13 tick range there. So that is pretty doggone good support and is probably worth taking a look at. Now, if that breaks, it could break substantially. I mean, we're looking at the lower Keltner channel down here near 148, and if the move down from the high to this low here gets equaled here, and sometimes that's the way markets act, that would lead us to the same area down in the 148 area. So there's plenty of room for them to break. But if they're going to turn back up, and especially at least go back up to 52.24, then we're right in the vicinity here where they might be bought. So we'll be taking a hard look at that as they go into trading Wednesday. Looking at stocks, obviously a much different situation. They are down into what qualifies as support here, which is, let's call it the 2560 area, just above it, but that's what we'll call it. That is the upper moving average, and that's where a market will hold in a strong trend. Now, this market is so strong that it hasn't even been down that far 4 out of the last 5 weeks. We have to go back here to see that 1 week that it did trade it. The other 4 weeks here in the last 5 haven't even been to that moving average. Now, that's a very strong market, and that's why this is support. But the fact that they've been above it for so long makes it a little more likely to break, because they can't maintain a momentum that strong for forever. So, it's support until it's broken. So we'll certainly be looking at opportunities to buy in that vicinity. But we could break to 2550, which is the middle moving average, or down closer to 2533 down here at this averaging. And the thing is, the high that they broke out from to start this move is well below 2500, and that's kind of a normal retracement in a bull market. So this could still remain bullish and drop down below 2500. So obviously this is not a low risk trade in here. So I'm not going to be aggressively pursuing it, but again, support is support until it's broken. So we'll be looking at it to see if there's something we can buy in the 2560 area. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with.